Do this part. it's a thing. So do your thing.
Okay guys, so previous videos we already did the bread dough recipe. This is just the basic bread dough: flour, yeast, warm water, sugar, a little bit of salt, and I also put in a little bit of barbecue spice just for the hell of it, because we have it. And then you roll it out, you let it rise, and then we rolled it out a second time in the smaller balls and let it rise again. So basically we're just going to plop these dough balls on top of the liquid and close the lid and put some more charcoal on top of the lid, and then they're going to rise inside of the liquid, and then they're going to get nice and crispy on top and nice and gooey at the bottom. I don't think we're going to fit all 12 into the pot, but we'll see how far we get.
Whatever doesn't fit, we'll just pop on the grill next to it, and we'll
Yes,
make rooster cookies,
exactly.
rooster breads. If anyone's Afrikaners, you'll get that joke. Rooster breads.
You just plop them in wherever you like.
They will be sticky. They will be doing whatever they want.
No, you don't want dry dough. Just roll them again as you
You
go.
can actually see some of the spices in there. Looks brilliant. The rest of everyone is running around doing weird stuff. That one's in the bush.
The dogs are enjoying themselves with us at home. Woo!
Yeah, I think the dogs are most happy about the whole situation.
Yes.
We've got a technology addicted person there. We've got a tree addicted person there. We've got a sleeping dog, and one who avoids the camera.
Yes, yes.
I'm standing here swallowing a lot of mucus in my face because
Salivating.
I'm salivating. Just make sure that you keep adding heat, because if it drops temperature at any point, you'll just get annoyed with getting it back up to temp again. And I've got another grill going there for the charcoal that we don't use, the wood on top of the lid, just to get some more heat in there, crisp up the tops. We might actually make all 12.
I'm going to shove them in here. Come hello high force.
Come hello high force.
Water. Whichever one you want.
Yeah. And then number the final.
There we go.
And now it is crucial. Do not stir the pot.
No.
Do not do anything stupid. Only thing you do now will be
The lid on.
pop the lid on
Put heat on top.
and put heat on top and keep it smiling. You can keep it
Keep on smiling.
keep it hot, keep it going. Next video will be the taste test.